Ever had your stomach growl so loud it embarrasses you in public? Yeah, that's not your belly begging for food. It's science. Your stomach and intestines are constantly moving, squeezing and pushing air, gas, and digestive fluids through your system. Those movements are called peristalsis. When your stomach's empty, those contractions get louder, so you hear that signature rumble. And here's the twist. It can happen even when you're not hungry. It's just your gut cleaning itself up and getting ready for the next meal. So the next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body's way of saying, "Hey, remember me?"